This has been a great show. It's bigger than I'd anticipated it would be. And for us, it is great because we are the #1 distributor of automotive accessories across the entire US.
As a buyer at Competition Specialties, it's really important to see what the new products there are out on the market.
It's a lot of variety, right? You have your imports, you have everything. So it's very overwhelming, but also it's a great way to see cars, but also network with a lot of other businesses and manufacturers as well. The perfect place for everything.
This is the one place we can be at where we can meet all of our suppliers, innovative new ideas, what's coming up, what kind of trends, and meet with our installers as well.
I was actually really excited to see a lot of the unveilings for some of the cars, the builds that I've been seeing online.
Yeah.
But I actually just kind of geeked out because I saw one of my favorite drifters ever. So.
It's been fantastic. A lot of new participants, a lot of great foot traffic, a lot of good technology, lights, products, really exciting.
You literally have everything here, right? People, cars, connections, everything. There's so much variety and you can't go wrong.